Let me get in that. $15 cover. It's a charity event for a local that needs a heart transplant. SRH.
That's why. What's that?
He's not that, yeah. He's not even a baby.
You ready? Alright, how we all doing tonight? Alright, SRA. I just want everybody to know that while you guys are here in the front row, while you guys are right here at ball level with Big B, do y'all have that first album Big B ever did? Alright. Did you ever open it up? Look at it? If you open it and look at it, there's a picture of his nutsack and it says liquor. I'm going to leave you with that thought while you're standing right here watching Big B at Dick level. Alright guys, I'm out of here. That's my time. There's some more stickers. Deep relax. Check. What's up, Ocean Beach? How the fuck you guys doing out? You alright? Check. How you been drinking? Alright. There we go. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right, we keeping it tight. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right, all day and all night. Let me tell you about my second home, going to see the Cali, where they got it going on, summertime, 7 days a week, Hollywood strip down the Pacific. LA to IE, all the way back to the OC. California sunshine, where you find me? Cause everybody's a star, just waiting their turn. They got plenty of time and lots of money to earn. Oh, but it ain't that easy. You gotta live and learn to see the truth that hurt. But in California, it makes you tough. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right. We keeping it tight. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right. All day and home of the fast cars and faster women, home of the fast life and easy living. Every day's a new adventure, there's no better weather. Shorts and t-shirts in the dead of the winter. Checking out the freaks on Venice Beach, hanging out with the rich and famous like I was Robert Leach. Blowing smoke rings like my name Richie. And everybody knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that can get you in for free. But it ain't that easy. You gotta live and learn to see the truth that hurt. But in California, it stings and burns. in here, you'll make some motherfuckers, bro. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right. We keeping it tight. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right. All day and long. Yeah, the traffic might suck and the parking's a drag, and every now and then the smoke gets pretty bad. It's a small price to pay to say you stay in a place called California. Home to everybody from Hugh Hefner to Dr. Dre, the Golden State. If you've been here, you can relate. No better place once you sort out the phonies in the face. So slow down, take a look around and pump your brakes. But it ain't that easy. You gotta live and learn and see the truth that hurt. But in California, you gotta wait your turn. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right. We keeping it tight. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right. We keeping it tight. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right. All day and all night. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right. We keeping it tight. Out here in Cali, from the beach to the valley, we doing it right. All day and all night. I got a friend that passed away next to the last few days by the name of Adam. This song's for him. Before I leave this place, y'all will remember this face. For the good, the bad, the happy, the sad, y'all will remember this face. Before I leave this place, y'all will remember my face. For the good, the bad, the happy, the sad, y'all will remember this face. Little Tommy enlisted in the army, even though I never been away from the Tommy. Said he wanted to see the world till his family and friends about me. The big kids who was young, that was off the boot camp. Never finished with the life, but now here's the big shit. He said he shines his shoes and creases his pants. He knows his weapon inside and out. Now it's one on the wrist, more about the action. They don't know what they're talking about. He was a calm man on the front line, ready to die when they turned it up. He said God and it's for lives out of we get like this. And this is what he said with his last breath. Before I leave this place, y'all will remember this face. For the good, the bad, the happy, the sad, y'all will remember this face. Before I leave this place, y'all will remember my face. For the good, the bad, the happy, the sad, y'all will remember this face. Y'all have a good time, make some motherfucking noise. Julio Jones lived down the way. He had a little house where him and his family used to stay. Now there's one on the block. He was driving down, he was waiting to make a stop. Drink cheap food, smoke big cigars, and he loved to talk. He didn't have a hate on anybody, he didn't have time with nobody. The type of person that would give you the shit off his back. He didn't care you were white or black, but in the night he got caught. This is his money, this is his car. But when they took his life, they went too far. He closed his eyes and he starts to pray. And this is the last thing he's gonna say. Before I leave this place, y'all will remember this place. For the good, the bad, the happy, the sad, y'all will remember this face. Before I leave this place, y'all will remember my face. For the good, the bad, the happy, the sad, y'all will remember this face. Guitar and lead vocals
and a little more Big B all across the front.
Yeah, a lot more Big B. Because please.
It's my fault for not coming to sound check.
You have priorities, bro. Other things are happening.
Where's all the bad girls in San Diego? This song's for you. Where's all the guys who like the bad girls? This song's for you. I got a bad girl that treats me good. I got a bad girl that treats me good. Cause she drinks like a fish and smokes like a chimney, but always knows how to treat me right when she's with me. Got a bad girl that treats me good. I got a bad girl that treats me good. Cause she drinks like a fish and smokes like a chimney, but always knows how to treat me right when she's with me. Oh, she parties with the best of them. This is all the rest of them. And she's with the girls, so you better not mess with them. She's a lover and a fighter, a kisser and a biter. Shit goes down, she'll be right there beside you. She's not perfect, but she's my everything. On my clock, she's my lowest lane. I don't need you to understand, but she's my girl and I'm a man. I'm the superstar, but I'm a biggest fan. Sold out show, got the ticket in my hand. This love is a hell of a thing. Sometimes it's pretty and sometimes it's me. I got a bad girl that treats me good. I got a bad girl that treats me good. But she drinks like a fish and smokes like a chimney, but always knows how to treat me right when she's with me. Got a bad girl that treats me good. I got a bad girl that treats me good. But she drinks like a fish and smokes like a chimney, but always knows how to treat me right when she's with me. I know you might think I'm crazy, but you don't understand about me and my baby. Yeah, she treats me right. Cause be a bad girl loving every night. Sometimes we fight and sometimes we scream, but none of that matters cause it's crazy as it saves me and her. We make the perfect thing. She shakes her body like a go-go dancer. How the hell she got me under a spell? I got no answer. Could be the odds, could be the odds, could be the envy from all the other guys. But I ain't complaining yet. I'm talking about you, girl, your ears must be ringing. I got a bad girl that treats me good. I got a bad girl that treats me good. Cause she drinks like a fish and smokes like a chimney, but always knows how to treat me right when she's with me. Got a bad girl that treats me good. I got a bad girl that treats me good. Cause she drinks like a fish and smokes like a chimney, but always knows how to treat me right when she's with me. Sitting at the bar, doing bad things in the bathroom car. Here comes security, should have been quiet. Said it's just me, but you know I didn't buy it. Hands on the floor, escorted to the door. Bartender yelling, don't come back here no more. P-A-T-G-R-R-L. Yeah, I love those bad girls if you couldn't tell. I got a bad girl that treats me good. I got a bad girl that treats me good. Cause she drinks like a fish and smokes like a chimney, but always knows how to treat me right when she's with me. Got a bad girl that treats me good. I got a bad girl that treats me good. Cause she drinks like a fish and smokes like a chimney, but always knows how to treat me right when she's with me. Alright, San Diego, I wanna know if you're having a good time. It's real simple, I want you to repeat after me. I know some of you know how it goes, but it goes like this. La-di-da-di, we like to party. Alright, this is a benefit for George. So you have to be a little louder than that. George, we heard you eating chicken, driving your BMX bike. I'm gonna tell you, we know you're healthy enough after this motherfucker. So, you better get up in there. The party people, I want you to scream as loud as you can for George and sing it like this. It goes like this. La-di-da-di, we like to party. Go to my come side, go to the left hand side, go to the BB, but I tell them as the words just right. Come and say, come the teacher, come and say, come the teacher, come and say, come.
to party. Lordy, lordy, we like to party. I don't wanna wait in vain for the love. Say what? Say what?
I don't wanna wait in
If you know it, sing it.
For the very first time I place my eyes on you, girl. My heart is following you.
Say what? Say what?
But I know now that I'm way down on the line. Hit the way you feeling it's fine.
Say what? Say what?
So don't treat me like a puppet on the string. Girl, your love is my love. The tears in my eyes burn. The tears in my eyes burn. While I'm waiting for my turn. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love.
Say what? Say what?
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Your love is here. I'm still waiting there. Winter is here. And I'm still waiting
Make some noise for my secret weapon, Jordan.
there. What up?